Okay. Do you think we should go out or stay right here?
We can stay here. I'm
going out.
Okay.
Oh man.
Oh God. The clouds are, dear Lord.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
The air smells. Is it coming or?
That's a fast moving
Oh
cloud
yeah,
right there,
that's
buddy.
coming.
I am absolutely terrified.
Oh, and that's moving fast.
Darn.
That's the edge of that second one.
Hello, it's so
What,
dark
where?
out here you wouldn't believe.
Right here, you see it? We're right on the edge. Right there's the storm. We're right on
Hello.
the edge of it.
Of like a tornado or like a thunderstorm or?
This a warning. The next one's supposed to come in.
It is so dark right now and it's only 8 o'clock. Never mind.
Oh, they're usually this dark at 8.
Well, true. I can barely see like anything. Only lights from my
moving
house like right
fast.
here. I know.
That's not good.
I have panic attacks easily, so this is not okay.
Well, don't freak out.
I already have like 7 times today. I already have like 7 times today in like the last 5 seconds.
I was freaking out
Oh
earlier.
God.
Yeah, go in, go in, go in.
It rained.
Oh God, I nearly slipped. No. Minecraft is not